If I gave you 1,000 Ghana cedis today and told you to turn it into 5,000 Ghana cedis in Ghana without loans, without connections, without doing anything illegal, would you know exactly what to do? In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how an ordinary person in Ghana can realistically grow 1,000 Ghana cedis to 5,000 Ghana cedis using a simple, fast-moving business. This is not theory, this is practical, and this works if you follow the rules. So let's start. Before we even talk about the business, there are 3 rules you must obey. Rule number 1, choose a business with a fast turnover. If the product doesn't sell every day, forget it. Rule number 2, reinvest your profits, don't spend them. No small chop, no pressure, no emotions. Rule number 3, track every single cedi. If you don't track it, you lose it. If you can follow these 3 rules, you are already ahead of 80% of people. With 1,000 Ghana cedis, you must choose a business that sells daily, not weekly. Daily, not weekly. Here are some recommended options in Ghana: phone accessories, food vending, thrift clothing, and also pure water retailing. For this video, I will use phone accessories as the example because it sells fast and people buy it every day. Here is exactly how to spend your money. 700 cedis will be for the stock, that is the chargers, earphones, phone cases, USB cables. 150 Ghana cedis will use for the table or the stand and simple display. 100 cedis will be using for the promotion, that is the WhatsApp status posters telling people around, and the 50 Ghana cedis will serve as emergency reserve. Do not touch this unless it's serious. That's your 1,000 Ghana cedis finish. Now listen carefully. Your goal is daily sales, not daily profit. Your goal is daily sales, not daily profit. On average, daily sales target is 120 Ghana cedis to 200 Ghana cedis. Average profit margin is about 30%. So if you sell 150 Ghana cedis in a day, your profit is roughly 45 Ghana cedis. 45 Ghana cedis may look small, but consistency is where the magic happens. Let's break it down month by month. Let's take the month 1. Your daily profit for a day is 45 Ghana cedis. You work 25 days in a month. 45 times 25 days is equal to 1,125 Ghana cedis profit. Now here is the discipline part. You do not spend everything. Reinvest 800 Ghana cedis into more stock. Keep 325 Ghana cedis as backup or buffer. At the end of the month 1, your capital now is 1,800 Ghana cedis or more. You have almost doubled your money. Now let's go to the month 2. Now you have a bigger stock. You have a bigger stock. More variety means more sales. Daily sales increase to around 220 Ghana cedis. Daily profit becomes about 65 Ghana cedis. 65 times 25 days is equal to 1,625 Ghana cedis profit. Again, discipline. Reinvest 1,200 into the company and keep the rest as safety. At the end of month 2, your capital now is around 3,000 plus Ghana cedis. Now let's move to the month 3. Now your level is up. Your level is up. You add high demand items like power banks, Bluetooth airbags, fast chargers. Now daily sales rises to around 300 Ghana cedis. Daily profit is about 90 Ghana cedis. 90 times 25 days is equal to 2,250 Ghana cedis profit. Now reinvest 2,000 into the business. At this point, your total capital crosses 5,000 Ghana cedis, and yes, it's very possible. Now let's recap everything clearly. Start with 1,000 Ghana cedis. After month 1, the total amount will be 1,800 Ghana cedis after you reinvested. After month 2, the total amount will be 3,000 Ghana cedis, and after month 3, the total amount will be 5,000 Ghana cedis. Time frame will be 2 to 4 months depending on consistency and location. Now, there are some rules that make this work. If you want this to work, follow these rules strictly. Rule number 1, no personal spending from profit. Rule number 2, buy stock weekly, not monthly. Rule number 3, sell where people pass. Traffic matters. And rule number 4, record sales every day. Rule number 5, avoid credit sales completely. Cash only always. And these are the mistakes you need to avoid. Do not make these mistakes. Mixing business money with personal money. Don't do that mistake. Buying slow moving items. Don't do that. Increasing expenses too early. Don't do that. And giving goods on credit. These mistakes are why most small business fail. If you follow this system with discipline, 1,000 Ghana cedis can truly become 5,000 Ghana cedis. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like, comment what you have learned under the comment section, and also subscribe to iGhana Network YouTube channel. See you in the next video.